What's going on, guys? Derek Johnson of Legendary Leads here, and today I want to dive into the new Legendary Leads software and show you just a little bit of what it can do. So if you got about 5-10 minutes, stay tuned, and we're going to dive right in to some of the cool features. What we're going to cover in this video are the SMS Autoresponder, the sales pipeline features, and workflows. So let's go ahead and open the app and take a peek behind the hood. So this is the Legendary Leads software app, and basically this is a sales pipeline that I set up, and I can set these up for all my users and push updates, and it's really cool how this all works. So I'm just going to show you a couple of things. So first things first, let's go to conversations. This is an integrated inbox. This was a messenger message. This one is a text, and all this works together. You can also bring in your calls and emails all into the same inbox. So you can see your unread here, recents, and all. So what I'm going to do is test out the SMS autoresponder. So I'm going to pull over my phone so you guys can see what's going on here. All right, so I'm going to send a text to my Legendary Leads number, and that text is going to be demo. Now, as soon as I texted demo, there's a trigger that I created inside of the Legendary Leads system that's going to create an auto response. You can see the previous one above, and this is an SMS that goes out about a minute later. So actually, I do need to change something since I already tested this. I'm going to go to workflows. And I'm going to go to SMS Autoresponder, and I need to change the settings so it'll run multiple times. So I'll put allow multiple, and I'll hit save here. So there we go. And while I'm in here, we can just take a look at this workflow as well. So I'm going to go ahead and text the word demo again so you guys can see. And these are the steps. Right? So my first text message went out right here. Then I had a voicemail drop. You might have seen the phone kind of flash there for a second. And then there's a wait step. It waits for 1 minute. And then after that minute, another SMS message goes out. And that's based on the trigger, which you can set these triggers to be quite a few things. In this instance, I'm looking for an exact match keyword. And that keyword is demo, right? So that's my autoresponder. That trigger fires all of these subsequent actions. So I can go to my recent calls. I see I missed a call from Legendary Leads, and right there is a voicemail. So there's my voicemail. And
just dropping you a voicemail to show you the power of our SMS autoresponder in the Legendary Leads software. If you want to try this out for yourself, you can get a 7-day free trial. I shot you the link via SMS.
So that's basically the voicemail drop that I recorded. And then after 1 minute, that second text message goes out. Now in this text message, I have a trigger link. And that, when someone clicks it, can fire different automations. So basically, I could create a sales pipeline for this entire SMS autoresponder and automate this entire process start to finish. When someone clicks this link, it can move them to a new stage in the pipeline. And I'll show you a little bit how that works in our other demo of the pipeline. But it's amazing, amazing process. And now if we go back to opportunities, you can see I'm right here. So the other thing I wanted to show you guys is this pipeline can create triggers, just like that SMS autoresponder did. So these are just leads, right? So say I want to send messages to my leads. All I have to do is create a trigger that when I drop it right here, it's going to send a message out. So boom, I just dropped that lead right there. And we'll see, we'll wait a second, and right there. So all this basically did was ask the contact's first name and question mark, right? Now I have a trigger set up as well, if I get a response from that specific campaign, right? So just that campaign, I responded yes. Now if I just hit refresh on my app, I'm going to give it a second to pick that reply up. But if I hit refresh, there we go. It moved to the next step in the pipeline. You see that? So basically, you could automate this entire prospecting process. So you're just confirming that the prospect you have the correct name and number for. If they reply back, it's going to move here so you can review those conversations. And then you could have another step after that. So say I wanted to have a step, once they've confirmed they are who they are, I could create another pipeline step that when I drop it there, it sends a more specific message for my prospecting. So for instance, if I open up conversations here, one of my template messages is looking for properties. And it basically says, hey, thought I might have the right number. I'm looking for properties in Contact City. So that is going to customize to that user. And I can just hit send right there. So you can see it said, hey, I'm looking for properties in Waterloo. Was wondering if you're looking to sell. I buy in any condition and I can close fast. So right there, it popped that up right when I sent this reply. So that could be a trigger too for another pipeline stage. And all I would have to do is drag and drop that card. Then if I get a response back, I could have another one, so on and so forth. So if you think out your system ahead of time, you're going to save so much time and you're going to automate your entire workflow just using this app. So highly recommend you guys check it out. If you do want to try it, you can actually text demo to 319-250-6868 and that SMS autoresponder campaign will fire off for you as well. And I'd be happy to show you around the platform. We do have a lot of stuff in the works. So this is just the beginning. I'll be able to continue to improve on this and add more value for you guys. We've got funnels and websites in the works that you guys will be able to use out of the box and a lot of cool stuff like that. We've got chat support right here from within the app. We'll have a help desk. So if you guys need videos on a specific topic, you can just search through this chat or on the help desk. So right now we have some getting started videos, how to set up Twilio and stuff like that. And there'll be more and more coming as we go. So basically, you guys can come to this page. Right now, I'm price locking everything during launch. So for $47 a month after a 7-day free trial, you're going to get the top plan. Now, I'm considering this a beta launch. So once we're actually in full SaaS mode, ready to go, this is going to probably be $197 plan, the unlimited plan. So all future feature upgrades and everything I add will be included. Right now, you can get that for $47 a month. Just the basic plan, once we actually get rolling here, is probably going to be $97 a month, just because I'm going to have to add support, staff, and all that stuff. But I want to do an introductory rate, get some people onboarded, see what you guys are loving, see what you want to see. That would make it even better for you guys, and just be able to create, hopefully, some great partnerships out of this as well. So feel free to go sign up. You can go to legendaryleads.co/software, or you can text demo to 319-250-6868 and go through that process for yourself. So hopefully this is helpful and you can kind of see a couple of the benefits of this platform. I'm excited to help you guys grow. Go ahead and start a 7-day free trial, and I'll see you on the inside of the app. Maybe you'll talk to me or someone on the support team, and we'll love to get your thoughts. So appreciate you guys. See you on the next video. Go ahead and sign up for Legendary Leads today.